As we all might have heard, the early bird gets the worm. But the fact is, it is not easy to become an early bird. Sacrificing your precious sleep, those couple of hours in a cozy blanket in winters, or sleeping in the room with the air conditioner on, seems like a blessing. Do you have trouble in waking up early? Are you a night owl or an early bird? Stay tuned, because in this video we will discuss some simple yet practical steps which will help you in becoming a morning person. Hello family, I'm Vivek and you're watching Fit Family TV. According to a research, it is found that morning people are more often successful because they tend to be more proactive. A survey conducted by The Guardian reports that many CEOs of successful companies are up by 5 a.m. Generally, people hate early risers, but secretly, they also want to become one of them. If you see the science behind that, your genes determine your chronotype. Chronotype is generally a person's sleeping and waking up pattern, so it is more often similar in the families. But of course, you can change that. Changing your chronotype requires 2 to 3 weeks, but you have to stick to it and be firm with your decisions. Now, first of all, find the why. Why should you wake up early? Most of us like to work out in the morning, and for some of us, it is like climbing a mountain. For me, working out is a motivation that peps me up and keeps me away from the bed. But you can find your own motivation. By giving yourself those extra couple of hours in the morning, you can finish up with things which you didn't have time to do during the day. Playing a video game, reading a book, meditation, or even just going outdoors and enjoying the morning sun. And believe me, it is very peaceful and serene in the morning. So, find your why, get motivated, grab a coffee and get going. Setting up an evening routine. This not only means that you have to start going to bed early, but a lot of other things. Like keeping your morning clothes ready. Keeping water next to you so that you can drink it the first thing in the morning. Make it a habit to note down all the tasks that you have to perform the next morning. By setting up an evening routine, you will not only save time the next morning, but you will be less stressed and more peaceful. But don't forget the fact that 7 to 9 hours of sleep is essential for adults. So make it a point to get to bed early. Using a smarter alarm. The snooze button was made for people to be lazy and to sleep for some more time. But most of us use it as a luxury by snoozing it for hours or eventually turning off the alarm. To avoid this, keep your phone away from you so that you have to get out of bed to shut down the alarm. Or you can use alarm applications like Smart Alarm or Math Alarm, which require you to solve a math problem to turn off the alarm or snooze it. By solving a math problem, your brain will be enough awake to kickstart your day. Lighten up. Exposure to bright light the first thing in the morning makes you more alert and feel less lazy. Natural light is always the best. So as soon as you wake up, get outside or open your bedroom window to let in that natural light, which will get you charged up and get moving. If you don't have natural light in your room, then switch on the artificial lights to wake yourself up. Eat properly. This is one of the biggest setbacks in your journey to become a morning person. You should never eat a high carbohydrate or a meal high in sugar before you go to bed. Eating too much or too less will disrupt your sleep patterns, which in turn will make you feel lazy throughout the day. Always eat a high protein meal at night and a healthy breakfast in the morning. Be consistent. Now this doesn't mean that you have to be stuck or rigid. If you have to attend a party, sleep late on a Friday or a Saturday night, that's okay. It happens once in a while. But you should always, and I mean always, try to be as consistent as you can. Don't be a yo-yo and get back to where you started from. Always be focused and consistent, and and I am sure you will win this battle with yourself. These steps were not just to say. I also follow these steps regularly, and I hope you're going to follow them and live a healthy and a happy life. What is the biggest setback for you in becoming a morning person? Please mention it in the comments below and I will be happy to see your answer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of the family. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV, you're the family.